Hi, I'm Tim Parrish. You may recognize me from the hit TV show Ballers or a number of other B-movies I did, but probably not. Moving on. I'm here because I teamed up with Mcallen Valley Roofing due to the recent hailstorms that came through San Antonio and southern Texas. You know that pelting sound you heard on the top of your roof? That wasn't a fiddler, my friend. That was hail. Ouch. And what does that hail do? It compromises the structural integrity of your roof. And what can happen then? It could leak, and that's not good. And that's where we come in. We'll go up on your roof and do a proper inspection. Yep, it's damaged. And if it warrants it, we'll advise that you file an insurance claim. It's that simple. Now, how does that sound? I thought so. We are Mcallen Valley Roofing, a roofer you can trust. Now that's how ice and water should be enjoyed.